The role of blood in the body is to transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body, regulate body temperature, maintain pH balance, support the immune system, and facilitate clotting to prevent excessive bleeding. So blood is very important, and so that's why we must eat the right fruits to keep it healthy. So here are 5 fruits you should eat to keep your blood healthy, and stick around to see the number 1 fruit, which is the all-time superfruit. Let's go. 1. Pineapples. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may aid digestion, and is a good source of vitamin C. It is generally safe for all blood types. Pineapple provides manganese and bromelain. Vitamin C and manganese are essential for immunity and antioxidant defense, while bromelain aids digestion and may have anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, making them a great choice for all blood types. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C content, which boosts immunity and supports skin health. They also offer antioxidants that protect against chronic diseases. 3. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and various phytonutrients. The fiber aids digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, while phytonutrients may have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. With that said, they can be enjoyed by people of all blood types. 4. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. They provide essential nutrients like vitamin C and anthocyanins that support the immune system, brain health, and protect the body from oxidative stress. They are generally considered healthy for all blood types. And the number 1 fruit is no other but bananas. Bananas are a nutritious fruit rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. These nutrients support heart health and muscle function. They also provide vitamin B6 for brain development and fiber for digestive health, and this makes them suitable for all blood types. So there you have it, the top 5 fruits you should eat to have a healthy blood. No matter your blood type, if you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more videos and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first to be notified when a video is available to watch. Also, comment healthy blood in the comment section to let me know if you watch all the way through, and I will definitely respond to you. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!